Alright, guys, so this is a nice trip to Arizona. I have rented a convertible and I'm all by myself, just trying to learn solo traveling as well as recording videos for YouTube. So, this is just an empty highway. Look at the sky being so pretty. It is very sunny though, nice and warm. Look at the roads being so clean. Amazing. It's quite a drive, absolutely a drive. So this was one of the spots. I actually also flew a drone here, and this was actually a resort. Had a wonderful night. And by the way, the hoodie I'm wearing is actually bought in the nearby Walmart. I didn't know it's gonna be very chilly, so I just stopped by the nearby Walmart and picked this up. And this building that you see on my side is the resort. And here we come out of the car. Look at those boats, beautiful water, wonderful sky. The temperature was good too. Really had fun. All right, so now we're gonna move from this area. So this is where the Horseshoe Bend is going to be. Just a little overview of the place before that. This walkway is what takes you there. Isn't it amazing? Look at the clouds, look at the sky. It is just insanely gorgeous. Wow. It is nothing but stunning views. Definitely a must see place. Look at those gorgeous clouds. Now, many people are taking photos right by the edge. Make sure you guys are very careful. I made videos in different angles and different settings to see. This is this was a time when I was actually learning how to use GoPros. So that's why you guys are seeing different clips. I think these were the best settings. That's a gorgeous view. I think right now I'm using I think it was GoPro 10, I guess, with the wide angle settings. Wow, now look at that. That is full raw footage of the Horseshoe Bend in Page, Arizona. This stone right there is one of the spots where a lot of people take photos. So this right now I'm using a fisheye lens on the GoPro. Look at this. It is definitely an experience and a place where everyone must go. And yes, you can also go on a boat tour. Yep, that right there is a boat. You can have your own, you can rent one. There's also a shooting range next to this place. So after this, I went to a shooting range. Alright, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.